Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tejashwani. I am doing this presentation with my group members Vaitaru and MK Tripura. We are doing this presentation on the subject of design thinking and innovation process. Our topic is case study on Wipro company. Case study topic with design thinking process and how Wipro company face and solve problems. We are doing this presentation with five design thinking process solution. Empathize phase, define phase, test phase, prototype phase, ideate phase. First, about introduction to Wipro company and design thinking. Wipro is a leading global information technology consult and business process service company. Design thinking is user-centric approach to problem solving that fosters innovation. This presentation explored case study where Wipro applied design thinking to address complex challenges. Understanding design thinking. Design thinking involves five key phases: emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Each phase encourages collaboration and creativity to arrive at effective solutions. This methodology helps organizations to align their innovation with user needs and expectations. Case study 1: Improving customer experience. Wipro faced challenges in enhancing customer satisfaction for major clients by applying design thinking. Wipro gathered insight direct from the users. The result was revamped customer services platform that significantly improved users' engagement. Empathize with users. The first step in design thinking process is to empathize with users. Wipro conducted interviews and observation to understand customer pain points. This phase reveals crucial insight that inform the stages of the project.
Myself, Vaitaru. Here I came to tell about how Wipro defining the problem. Defining the problem. After collecting data, Wipro defined the core issues faced by the users. Clear problem statements were crafted to guide the design process. This helped to focus the team's efforts on addressing specific user needs effectively. Ideation phase. In ideation phase, Wipro faced brainstorming sessions with cross-functional teams. Derives prospective leads to creation of a multi-innovation solution. The best idea were selected for further development based on feasibility and impact. Feasibility and impact. Prototyping solution. Wipro developed low-fidelity prototypes to visualize the proposed solution. These prototypes allows for quick feedback from user and stakeholders. Iterative prototyping helped refine ideas before final implementation. Testing the solutions. Comprehensive testing was conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of the solutions, where feedback was collected to identify areas for further improvement. This phase ensured that the final product met the expectations of the end users. Case study 2: Enhancing internet processes. To identify ineffectiveness in the internet project management systems, but utilized design thinking. The company sought out input from employees to understand the issues. The outcome was streamlined process, the improved productivity and reduced project timelines. Enhancing employees in the empathy. Wipro enhanced employees through workshops and surveys to gather insights. The involvement led to better understanding of the daily challenges they faced. Employee engagement fostered a sense of ownership in the sub-equivalent solutions.
Redefining internal process. Defined problem statements were formulated based on employee feedback. Wipro's team focused on specific areas such as communication and task allocation. Redefining these processes laid the groundwork for innovative solutions. Collaborative ideation sessions. Cross departmental collaboration was encouraged to generate creative ideas. Wipro facilitated ideation sessions to harness diverse expertise. This approach led to innovative strategies that addressed the identified inefficiencies. Implementing and testing changes. Wipro implemented changes in phases to monitor impact and gather feedback. Testing involved pilot programs to assess the effectiveness of new process. Continuous feedback loops allowed for ongoing refinements and adjustments. The results achieved. Wipro's design thinking approach led to measurable improvements in both case studies. Customer satisfaction scores rose significantly after the new service platform launch. Internal productivity metrics also showed marked improvements post implementation. Conclusion and future implications. Wipro's application of design thinking illustrates its value in problem solving. The company plans to adopt this approach for future projects to foster innovation. Continuous learning from these case studies will enhance Wipro's service offerings. This structure provides a comprehensive overview of how Wipro applied design thinking to resolve challenges, highlighting key phases and outcomes. Thank you.